Hey everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we've got something exciting. Over the years, Profiletree have had the pleasure of working on various projects, and in today's video I'm going to be going through some of our favorites that we've done, specifically using some very popular website builders like Wix, Squarespace, and the Elementor page builder as well. We'll be exploring the features, flexibility, and overall user experience of each page builder. So if you're looking for insights into which page builder might be the perfect fit for your next project, you're in the right place. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with Squarespace. So Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder and hosting platform, and it empowers you to create a stunning website without any kind of coding experience either. Squarespace offers a wide range of templates, tools, and features to help you create a website that's perfect for your business or personal needs. Some of my favorite features of Squarespace is the drag and drop builder. So Squarespace's drag and drop builder is really easy to use, and it's what makes it easy to create a website without any kind of coding experience or any design experience either. It's really easy to just add new sections, add saved sections, and add new layouts as well. And new blocks as well to your Squarespace website. So even if you are starting off with a template, you are still able to customize that template. You can always customize the colors, the themes, the fonts being used. You can just simply drag and drop elements onto your page and create a quick layout that you love. Squarespace also offers a wide variety of templates to choose from, so you can find one that's perfect for your style and industry. It also makes it really easy to sell products or services online with its built-in e-commerce features. And there are some SEO tools as well that Squarespace have. And the 24/7 customer support as well. Overall, Squarespace is a great option for anyone who wants to create websites without any coding experience. It's very easy to use, it's also affordable and versatile, and it offers a variety of features to help you create a stunning website. So some websites that we've created ourselves using Squarespace is the Campbell, McCleave & Co. website. So this website of Campbell, McCleave & Co. has this clean and professional design that's easy to navigate. The website actually started off as a template, and then we customized that to suit the client's needs. We customized the colors, some layouts as well we changed. We updated some of the layouts to accommodate for more text for SEO. And the website is also responsive, so it looks good on all devices as well. It's a clean and professional design. The use of white space and limited color palette was used to kind of create a sense of calm and sophistication. Navigation bar makes it really easy for users to get to the information that they need without having to search for it really. And there's clear call to actions that we've managed to add as well. Overall, this website was really easy, and it was well designed and user friendly. And it effectively communicated the company's services and expertise. And again, this was easily created with Squarespace Builder, and it's definitely something that if you are planning for a website that you have a low budget for but still want a clean and slightly customized design, this is a really good kind of brochure website. And if you have something similar in mind that you want to create, Squarespace is a good one to start off with. Another website we created with Squarespace is the So Belfast website. So is a haberdashery based in Belfast, and they needed a simple website to basically just gain some more traffic online and just make them more well known online as well, to create an online space. So again, we created this website. This was actually created with the blank kind of Squarespace editor, and we just added in all the text. We added in some sections. The website, we've decided to make it really easy to navigate. The homepage, we made sure to highlight the company's extensive selection of crafting supplies on the product pages to provide sort of clear information of each item. The website is also mobile friendly, so it looks great on all devices. Again, this was all created in Squarespace, no additional coding needed. We were still able to create a visually appealing design, one that was customized to the client's liking. It's easy to navigate. It's clear and information for the product pages as well, mobile friendly, and also didn't take too much time in creating as well. So that's another big plus of using website builders like Squarespace. If you are tight for time but you still want a clean and well functioning website, Squarespace is a good shout because you can still get all of that as well. So yeah, this was a really good website to work on, and Squarespace made it really easy to build this website as well. And lastly, we have Cruinn.org. Cruinn is a website that we worked on, and we used Squarespace. They wanted a simple website that would effectively communicate the company's services and expertise, but also they wanted a very clean and modern, updated design compared to their old website. And again, Squarespace made it really easy to create a design that we liked and that the client liked, and made it really easy for them to edit in the future as well. The homepage is well organized and informative, and the navigation bar makes it really easy for users to find information of what they need as well. And we've also made sure that it's responsive, so it looks great on all devices. The strong call to actions and key pages, which are there to kind of encourage visitors to contact the company for more information or schedule a consultation, make it really easy to kind of boost engagement on their website. And again, it was really easy to kind of do all this with Squarespace, to add new items and drag and drop items as well onto the website. So now let's talk a little bit about Wix. Wix is another page builder. It's cloud-based, and it allows users to create websites without any coding experience as well, similar to Squarespace. It also offers a wide variety of templates, tools, and features to help users create websites for businesses, for personal use, and a lot more as well. So Wix, similar to Squarespace, has a drag-and-drop website builder to make it easy to create websites without any coding experience. So all you need to do is just drag and drop elements onto your page to create a layout that they love, really. And Wix offers a variety of templates to choose from, so users can find one that is perfect for the style and industry of the website that you're working on, built-in e-commerce, SEO tools, and 24/7 customer support as well. Wix is a great option for anyone who wants to create a website without any coding experience, but it's also a really good option for website agencies if they want to create a seamless experience of working on a website for their clients as well. There's loads of inbuilt client tools that you can use to make your client's experience of updating their own websites really easy, and also help you manage all of the clients on their own kind of CRM as well. So here's a website that we created earlier for SolarFix. The website SolarFix NI has a clean and professional design that effectively communicates the company's services and expertise in solar panel installation. The homepage we've made sure is really clear and informative, and the navigation bar makes it really easy for users to find the information they need. The website is also really responsive, and it looks great on all devices as well. So the client wanted a clean and professional design, and it's appropriate for a solar panel installation company. The use of white space and a limited color palette also creates a sense of trust and reliability. The homepage is really clear, informative, and it provides an overview of the company's services and highlighting its key benefits as well. The use of images and videos helps to break up the text and make the page more visually appealing. The navigation bar is really easy to use, and the website layout is logical and intuitive. Visitors can easily find the information they need without having to search too hard for it. Overall, the SolarFix NI Limited website is a professional and informative resource for anyone who is considering installing solar panels. And again, this is really easy to create using Wix, and really easy to customize as well to the client's liking and to our standards as well. So again, Wix makes it really easy to help you achieve your own internal goals and also your client's goals as well for your website. And lastly, we have our final page builder, Elementor. So Elementor is a popular WordPress page builder. So it is something that you need that's not standalone. You will need to make sure you have a WordPress website and then install WordPress on it. But essentially, it's a drag and drop website builder for WordPress that allows you to create and edit pages without code via visual editor. It's a really popular choice for WordPress users of all skill levels, from beginner to experienced developers. Like Wix and Squarespace, it does have the drag and drop interface, so you can simply drag and drop elements onto your page to create the layout that you want. And I would say, unlike Wix and Squarespace, while they do offer a variety of widgets, I would say Elementor offers an even wider variety of widgets that you can use to add to content to your pages. They've got your basic ones like text boxes, images, and buttons and forms. But they've also got even more advanced ones and even more ones with JavaScript enabled, so things like counters, progress bars. You've got testimonial characters, and Facebook embedded onto your website as well, and some theme elements as well. So there's a lot more flexibility with Elementor as well. What's also really good about Elementor is that they are quite innovative with what they're coming out with. So recently they are coming out with this Elementor AI toolkit, and if you want to learn more about that, click in our channel below. We have loads of videos going over Elementor's new AI tools, including AI image generator, text generator, and code generator and things like that. But yeah, it's a really innovative plugin, and we've used it a lot for some of our websites, which we'll go over now. So one website we worked on using Elementor is the East Side Arts website. So East Side Arts is an organization and charity that's dedicated to ensuring that creativity is accessible to everyone in East Belfast. So the goal for them is to connect individuals and communities and offer creative opportunities and highlight the positive influence of arts in daily life. Their main concern was that their current website was outdated, and the previous platform had a lot of challenges in editing and updating events, which is quite a drawback considering the frequency at which they host their events. So they required a site that not only had was able to have an updated and more modern design, but also a little bit more functionality. They needed to be able to add multiple events without any hassle, and had to be simple enough for them to update event information, and it needed to communicate that information clearly with audience. So we went for Elementor and a WordPress build as well, to help build out their functionality and also make their website as visually appealing as possible. The page builder made it really easy for us to customize the website to the client's exact needs, using the fonts and the layouts that they preferred, the colors that they would like as well. That was also really good and followed design and SEO standards as well. So this was a really easy and fun website to work on, as we got to meet client expectations really well and meet our industry standards really well as well. So it's definitely a good option, especially if you are wanting to create a website that has a bit more advanced functionality. So for example, for this website, unlike the other previous websites, we did have a bit of functionality to work on, in this case the what's on section, and add a section for users to filter between all of the events. So hence we went for the WordPress, and we used Elementor to help customize the website in a shorter amount of time as well. So definitely one to consider if you are looking for a highly customizable website with advanced functionality as well, WordPress with the Elementor page builder. So as you can see, we've had a good run of creating websites that fit the client's needs. Sometimes those needs means that we use the Wix platform, sometimes we use Squarespace, and sometimes we use WordPress. Comes to choosing what platform that you need, there's so many things to take into account. Things like how easy the platform is to use, how much time it will take to create using the platform, the budget, etc. So now that we've done with the project showcases, I wanted to share some invaluable tips for those of you running or aspiring to start your own website development agency. Building a successful agency requires more than just technical expertise. It's about creating a seamless blend of innovation, client satisfaction, and efficient project management. So whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a team, these tips will help you navigate the challenges and set your agency on the path to success. And if you are someone that is about to or is considering working with a website development agency, then again, here are some tips for you to help you choose which development agency to look for and how to ensure success, the most success out of this website development agency partnership. Define your own scope and goals. It's a critical step in ensuring effective collaboration with a website development agency. Here's how it can help. So the first thing that it does is that it helps give more clarity to your vision. So when you have a clear understanding of your project's scope and goals, you can communicate that vision effectively to the agency. And this kind of clarity really helps them better understand what you want to achieve and how they can help you get there. Defining your scope and goals allows you to align your expectations with those of the agency. It reduces the chances of misunderstandings or disagreements later in the project because both parties have a shared understanding of what needs to be accomplished. A well-defined scope and set of goals help you establish a realistic budget. You can allocate resources more effectively, avoiding unnecessary expenses or scope creep, essentially when the project goes beyond its original intentions. Having a clear scope and goal enables you to set specific project timelines, and this helps the agency plan their work and deliverables accordingly, ensuring that the project stays on track and is completed within the desired time frame. And when you define your goals and expectations up front, you can establish quality standards that the agency must meet. This ensures that the final product aligns with your standards and meets your business needs. Clearly defined goals provide measurable benchmarks for tracking progress throughout the project. You can monitor the agent's performance and make adjustments as needed to achieve the desired outcomes. When you know what you want to achieve, decision-making becomes way more efficient. You can make informed choices regarding design elements, features, and functionality, reducing delays and potential conflicts. Risk mitigation. So essentially identifying potential risks and challenges in your project scope and goals allows you to proactively address them with the agency. This risk mitigation strategy can save time and resources in the long run. And by taking time to define your scope and goals, it's important to be open to some flexibility. Agile project management methodologies, for example, allow for adjustments based on feedback and changing business needs. Clearly defining goals serve as a foundation, but it shouldn't stifle adaptability. And it allows for a collaborative partnership. So you demonstrate your commitment to a collaborative partnership with the agency when you take time to define your scope and goals. This can foster a positive working relationship and a sense of shared ownership in the project's success. Defining your own scope and goals at the end of the day is a fundamental step in effective collaboration with a web development agency, and it's usually the first one that website development agencies tend to take as well whenever you first start with the project with them. It sets the stage for a successful project by providing clarity, alignment, and structure to achieve your desired outcomes. Next up is choosing the right agency, and this is a really important step, and it's easier to do once you have figured out your own goals. So some steps to making sure that you choose the right one. First one being is to define your own goals, but then once you're done with that, it's time to research and shortlist. So you can start by searching for an agency online, and you want to look at their website. Their website is a clear indicator of the quality of the agency's work, and it also has the most up-to-date information on what their service is and their pricing structure as well. What's really important to check out on their website is their portfolio, or essentially their showcase section, where they will showcase examples of work that they've done in the past, and you want to look for work that is closely to what you want. For example, you want to look for past web development projects, design projects, things like that, and just take a read through and see what people's experiences are. It gives you an indication of the agency's experience, the types of businesses that they work with, and the overall user satisfaction level as well. And you can see their work and see how they've either improved a website or achieved a client's goal as well. Portfolios is a really good way to see what kind of quality of work that you'll get if you work for them, and the agency's experience as well. You also want to check their services page and see what kind of expertise that they offer. You want to look for agencies with a track record of successfully maintaining websites in your industry with similar requirements. Experience is a really good indicator of competence, and you want to ensure that they offer the specific services you need. Some agencies like Profiletree will specialize in services, but they will also offer a wide range of services, including web design and development. They'll also help you with marketing and SEO as well. You want to choose a platform that can provide a comprehensive package or tailor their services to your needs. Another really good way to see to gauge a development agency's customer satisfaction level is reviews. Trustpilot, even Google My Business reviews are a really good way to find this, as they're quite unbiased. You want to just type in the name of the business, and then you want to look for the Google reviews that are sent in, and you can order by most relevant, the newest ones, and just really take the time and see what people are appreciative of, what they rave about, and it gives you a really good indication of what your experiences will be like if you were to partner with this agency. So next up is effective communication, and this is really crucial for successful collaboration with a website development agency. And here are several ways in which it can greatly benefit the collaboration. First one is the clear expectation, and this also is feature of whenever you define your own scope and goals. But essentially, communication helps in setting clear expectations from the beginning. Both you and the agency should understand the project's goals, scope, timeline, and budget. When everyone is on the same page, there are fewer chances of misunderstandings or scope creep. Frequent communication like status meetings or progress reports keep all parties informed of the project's process, and this transparency allows you to address any issues promptly, making necessary adjustments. Effective communication facilitates a feedback loop, so you can provide feedback on the agency's work and they can share their insights and recommendations. This two-way exchange leads to a better decision making and improvements in the process. With challenges or roadblocks arise, open communication is key to problem solving. You can work together with the agency to find creative solutions to keep the project moving forward. Communications ensures that everyone is aligned with the project's objectives, and this alignment helps agencies make design and development decisions that are aligned with your business goals. And if you need to make changes to the project scope, clear communication is definitely essential. Discuss the potential impact on timelines, on budgets, and functionality so that everyone is aware of the consequences of scope changes. Overall, consistent and transparent communication builds trust between you and also the agency. Trust is a crucial factor in a successful collaboration as it fosters a positive working relationship. And your active involvement throughout the effective communication shows the agency that you are committed to the project's success. This can motivate the agency to go the extra mile in delivering a high quality product. And communication doesn't end with the project completion. It's important to maintain communication for post-launch support, updates, ongoing maintenance of your website. A good market development agency won't just leave you high and dry once the website is launched. They will offer post-launch support for training, maintenance, updates, things like that. In summary, effective communication is the cornerstone of successful collaboration with a website development agency. It ensures that everyone is on the same page, reduces misunderstandings, and allows for agile decision-making throughout the project lifecycle. Building a strong communication framework helps create a positive and productive working relationship. Next one is creating a detailed product brief, and this is a really crucial step in fostering effective collaboration with a development agency. A well-structured project brief serves as a roadmap, essentially providing information and guidance to the agency. It gives clarity of objectives. The brief will clearly define the project's objectives, goals, and desired outcomes. The project brief outlines the scope of work, including features, functionalities, and deliverables. And this again is what helps scope creep because it establishes what is and isn't included in the project. The brief can include a project timeline with key milestones and deadlines. You can specify budget constraints or guidelines in the project brief. This allows the agency to propose solutions that fit within your budget or recommend adjustments as needed. Technical requirements as well are specified here, or any integrations that are necessary for the project. This includes platforms, technologies, and third-party apps and services, and that need to be considered. If there are potential risks associated with the project, outline them in the brief. This allows the agency to plan for risk mitigation strategies and provide any reference materials or existing assets that may be relevant to the projects, like branding guidelines, previous design work, or content samples. By creating a detailed project brief, you are empowering the agency with information that they need to propose a tailored solution and ensure that the work aligns with your objectives and expectations. It serves as a foundation document that minimizes misunderstandings, enhances collaboration, which leads to more successful website development projects. And that's it. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.